Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Grove collaborative haul, but first I wanted to show you really quickly, they have kind of a new thing coming out, and also I did not know this, but they have an additional like 2-piece set that is added for free when you use my link. So let's just click on that and I will show you really quickly what happens. So get started. I'm just going to enter in my YouTube. Okay, so then it'll show you like a series of screens. All right, so claim your free set. So now what they have is they still have the 5-piece Miss Meyers Gift Set, which is the 3 Miss Meyers products, but now they have a matte bin instead of the one that they had before, kind of the shiny one. It's really pretty. They have like a gray one and a white one. So it says claim your free set. It's a $35 value, claim your free set. And then it also says, so I didn't know this, but this is a little something extra. It says, as a bonus, we've added a free glass cleaner concentrate with glass spray bottle to your order. So that's a nice little bonus. So I didn't know that, but you actually get some extra goodies. I'm still getting used to this computer, it's new. All right, so also too, the other thing somebody had pointed out, another YouTuber that I watch, she had pointed out that there is a way to stop auto shipments. Now, if you didn't know, so Grove kind of runs like a monthly thing. It's like if you order something, it'll auto generate a shopping cart for you. You do not have to do that at all. In fact, what I do in my account is I actually have my next order set for like May. So that way I never get auto. I don't like the auto ship type of thing. Like I like to put in my cart what I want when I want. So I just move it way out so that I'm never like surprised or whatever. I've seen on the Facebook group a few people that were like surprised that they got charged for an auto shipment, and I'm like, oh man. I'm like, get in there and just do it. You can also turn auto shipments off. So let me show you how to do that really quick. So it automatically fills your cart up. Oh, let me show you this too while we're here. It will automatically fill your cart up with stuff. You can delete anything that you don't want. So like, oh, whoops, I'm still getting used to a Mac. I'm not used to like punching. So you just X everything you want out. And then also here too, when they put in the free products, you can go in and like you can change the caddy from white to, you can do the limited edition pomegranate, you can do the white matte, you can do the gray matte. So there's that. And then also on the, on the multi-surface cleaner, you can choose any of these options. So know that as well. You only have to make a $20 order, and then it's free shipping for 2 months unless you want to cancel the VIP. Yeah, it's VIP. I almost said VIB. I don't know why. Okay, and if you want to turn off auto shipments, you can go right here to the FAQ. And right here, it says, is Grove a reoccurring service? So go ahead and click that. And then it'll just take you down here. So it says these scheduled shipments are stocked from your product subscriptions and are completely customizable. And then somewhere down here, I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me just try to zoom in here. So it says, to do so, click here, then click pause auto shipments. This will allow you to continue using the site without automatic orders. So go ahead and just do that if you don't want to even mess with the auto shipment function or whatever. But like I said, I just changed my ship date way out to like I have it set to May. You don't have to buy anything every single month or every 2 months or every 3 months. It's all like what you want to do. So that's why I think the service is so worth it. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that. Let's get into the haul. All right, so this is just a teeny tiny haul, but I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys anyways. At some point I want to do like a favorite products video because I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like talking about favorite products. But I have this Method fabric softener in the Beach Sage scent. So I don't use fabric softener, but there are some times that things are just really linty, not linty, staticky. Lint and static go hand in hand with laundry, right? So I am loving the Method laundry detergent and also the fragrance boosters. I think those work just really well. Before we were buying the Gain, was it Apple Mango Tango or just maybe the regular Gain? And I felt like we were going through bottles of that so fast. The laundry detergent lasts a long time. I'm still on my first bottle of Ginger Mango, which is, I like both Beach Sage and Ginger Mango. I think they're both great scents. So that leads me to this next product. I did not take the tape off yet, but this is the fabric softener in Ginger Mango. Another great scent. Like I said, I'm probably like, in the laundry detergent, I'm probably down to there in laundry detergent. And I've been using it for the last probably like month. So it's been lasting me. I remember we had to buy the Gain probably like every 2 weeks. I felt like we went through that super fast. I feel like the Method is definitely worth the price. Kind of, you know, I feel like it's expensive, but I also know our Gain was pretty expensive too. So there's that. I saw one of my favorite YouTubers. I was going to mention her in the beginning of the video because she's the one that talked about pausing the auto shipments in her story on Instagram. Her name is That Crazy Life. I think her name is Amanda. I love her channel. Love her channel. So if you haven't checked her out, if you like clean with me's, oh, go check her out. She's awesome. She was talking about these in her last Grove order, and they're the coconut scouring pads. So I thought I'd try them. They look really strange. Like, what the hell is that in there? But I'm guessing that they are, oh, they're made from coconut shells and recycled fibers. Interesting. So I'm going to try these out because she raved about these. She said she really liked these. So I'm going to try them and see how they work. So also the other thing I got is I really wanted to try some body wash. It was on sale. They had Method for 20% off. I think it was like a couple weeks ago or maybe last week. The Method Moisturizing Body Wash in Surfside, and I think I also have one coming in the olive leaf, and I'm kind of thinking it might be like a Lush dupe for the olive branch, which I love. So Surfside, I'm gonna have to use this in the shower and get back to you on that, but I feel like I washed my hands with this. Why can't I remember what it smelled like? I don't know. I just felt like it had like a very like fresh scent. So sorry I can't be more descriptive about that, but I'll try to review it for you later. And the last thing I got is a hand soap in Bluebell. And I've been wanting to try some of the different scents because I know some I already like don't like, but some of these have me curious, so I'm wondering if there's one that I would like better. So this is a Delicate Floral Woodland Gardens Bold Burst of Blue Violet, and let's see, I think I like the smell of this. Yeah, well, you know, I'm gonna have to like, without having used it yet, it's hard to say what I'm smelling. I don't know, it kind of smells floral, but then it doesn't. It's not heavy floral, I can tell you that. But Delicate Floral, It almost smells like it's lightly scented. And what I'm smelling is just like the base product, you know what I mean? So I can't say whether I love this scent or not. Some people have said that their favorite scent is a honeysuckle. And I think I did order a honeysuckle to try that. But I'll wash my hands with this one and come back with a better review, or let you know if I like it in like a product review or something like that. So, okay, that was just my teeny tiny haul. I wanted to get the fabric softener. That was like the basis of my order, the reason for my order, because I wanted to start including fabric softener into my laundry. Like I said, I haven't used fabric softener in forever because I just thought it was kind of a needed product, but I feel like maybe I do need one now, and it does scent everything. Like, it just adds that extra layer of scent. I already feel like the laundry detergent and the laundry detergent and the fragrance boosters already give your clothes a nice scent, but I feel like the fabric softener just ups it one level. So if you haven't tried the fabric softener, I would definitely try it. And what else was I gonna say? Oh, since it was, everything is always free shipping, it doesn't matter if you order something, like an order this small. It just doesn't matter because it's free shipping. So anyways, there's that. All right, so that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you've come across any new favorite products, always let me know. I enjoy knowing what you guys like and what's new that has come out. I've seen a few new things come out and I'm wondering like how they are. And yeah, and if you don't like something, also let me know that too. I always like to know that as well. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.